How to share your HelloFresh experience online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you loved your HelloFresh meals and want to share your experience with others, well, in today's video, I'll show you how to share your HelloFresh stories easily using the mobile app. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap the account or menu icon and then find the feedbacks, reviews, or share your experience option. And there, after tapping on that, you can type your honest thoughts about the meal, delivery, or service, and you can feel free to add photos if the app allows it. And once you're happy with your review, you can just tap submit or post, and some version of the app let you share your review directly to social media. So just follow the prompts if you want to spread it to the world. And that's it. That's how you can share your HelloFresh experience online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.